Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. Sometimes blending two or more videos is necessary. With CapCut, you can do it in just a few clicks. I'll show you a simple trick for blending videos in this tutorial. I hope you will enjoy it. I have imported some videos. This type of video you can download from Pixels or Pixabay.com. Add a video to the timeline. Then add the second video to the above video track. Select the video placed on the above video track. Go to the mask tab and add the rectangle mask. Increase the height of the mask. Then increase the feather value of the mask. I have increased the feather value up to 25%. You can increase the feather value from 1 to 100. That's all from this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, we would appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.